Welcome to Future Wheels. Now, when you think of a Raptor, you probably imagine something wild, aggressive, built to fly over dunes and crush anything in its path. But today, we're talking about something different. Not just how the 2026 Ford Ranger Raptor performs, but how it actually holds up in real life. Because, let's be honest, anyone can build a fast truck, but can it survive daily driving, long miles, and real-world use? Well, this one might surprise you. Right from the start, this truck makes a bold statement. Under the hood, you get a twin-turbo V6 pushing out 405 horsepower, a serious number for a mid-size pickup. And when you hit the gas, it doesn't just move, it launches. We're talking about 0 to 60 in just over 5 seconds, which is sports car territory, in a pickup. But here's where things get interesting. This isn't just about speed. This truck was put into real-world testing, driven daily, pushed through miles of use. And after over 4,000 miles in just a couple of months, there were 0 issues. No breakdowns, no unexpected repairs, no warning lights. That's a big deal. Because performance trucks like this, they're usually fun, but not always reliable. But the Ranger Raptor? So far, it's proving it can do both. And part of that comes down to how it's built. You get Fox adaptive shocks, a reinforced chassis, serious underbody protection. This thing is engineered to take abuse. And yet, when you drive it on normal roads, it's surprisingly comfortable. It's not bouncing around like a hardcore off-roader. Instead, it feels smooth, controlled, and actually easy to live with every day. That balance is rare. Now, of course, it's not perfect. Those aggressive off-road tires, they hurt braking performance and grip on pavement a bit. Fuel economy? Not great either, around 17 mpg combined. And if you're expecting it to be cheap to maintain long-term, well, it's still a high-performance truck. But here's the key point. So far, it hasn't needed much maintenance at all. That's what makes this story exciting, because what we're seeing here is a truck that's not just built for adventure, but one that might actually handle everyday life without becoming a headache. And that's exactly what buyers want, something that can go wild on the weekends, but still behave Monday through Friday. Another thing drivers are loving, the practicality. Compared to something like the bigger Raptor trucks, this one is easier to park, easier to maneuver, and just more usable overall. It fits into real life better. And honestly, that might be its biggest strength, because what Ford has done here is shrink down the madness of a full-size Raptor into something you can actually live with. So where does that leave us? Well, it's still early. Long-term reliability takes years to truly judge. But the early signs? Very promising. Strong performance, solid build quality, and so far, 0 problems. That's a powerful combination. And if it continues like this, the 2026 Ranger Raptor might not just be one of the most fun trucks you can buy, it could also be one of the most dependable performance trucks out there. And that is something nobody expected. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Future Wheels, where we bring you the future of driving today.